Check this out. This is Ohio, the frozen land. Alright, so for the people that don't know me, my name is Isaac.duenas, and I'm a mortgage loan officer located just outside of Cleveland, Ohio. Now, here's the deal. I don't have my microphone. My car is frozen. That's why I'm struggling here changing lanes. I don't have a microphone. That's why I'm yelling at the camera. So I'm not yelling at you. I'm yelling at the camera. I'm a mortgage loan officer. And today, I want to talk to you about... Lots of my clients call me and they say, Isaac, I received this letter in the mail. What is this? It says Nations Lending. I'm assuming it's something that I gotta fill out, I gotta send out, I gotta do, right? This is it has the logo of your company. So what's going on? It says it's $150, $200, whatever it is. Should I get it? Well, I tell them, Mr. Borrower, what you're looking in that paper is insurance. It's mortgage insurance, but not the mortgage insurance that we're talking about, like FHA and conventional mortgage insurance. No, this is insurance for you. What they're trying to do is they're trying to sell you. So just a moment, I gotta decrease my speed to 50. Whatever XYE company that they partner with Nations Lending, pretty much a company that uses our closings as leads. Let's just put it that way. That's because that's really what it is. They're trying to sell you insurance in case you die. So if you die, instead of having your wife making the mortgage payments, your uncle, your cousin, your aunt, your kids, your grandkids, whomever inherits the home, assuming someone inherits the home, then they will continue to be making the mortgage payments. Well, instead of doing that, this policy, this insurance will pay off the home 100% completely. So you, Mr. Borrower, don't have to worry about losing the home, foreclosures, going to the home, going to the state, and that kind of stuff. Does that make sense? Now, why am I telling you this? Because what I tell my borrowers is, look, sir, just burn that paper. That policy is incredibly expensive. Instead, let me ask you something. Do you have life insurance? Some say yes through work. Some other people say no. Some other people say, I don't know. That's kind of the borrowers I deal with. The point is, if you don't have life insurance, you should get life insurance. Life insurance premiums are going to be a lot cheaper. I mean, this is assuming you qualify for one, which, I understand, like if you have medical conditions, anyway, every person, of course, is different. But assuming you qualify for life insurance, I would probably recommend, and this is COP right there. I'm going to keep talking like this, so you guys know what I'm talking about. But I would probably recommend getting life insurance. So just a moment, because these cops are looking at me, but this car's going faster than me. So let me turn off the heat because I am cooking myself now. Life insurance will give you more money, for your premium. So if you spend $100, $200 in a life insurance policy, then you will be able to collect all that money if something were to happen, and with that money then pay off the mortgage. Of course, you're gonna have to decide how much you need in life insurance, but I look at it in a smarter way, doing it that way. Now, if you have all the money in the world and being double covered doesn't matter to you, as long as you have the convenience of knowing that the mortgage will be automatically taken care of if something were to happen to you. You don't want to see the money. You don't want to touch the money. You don't want to have anything to do with the money. You just want the mortgage to be 100% paid off in the case of your death. Then I could say, sure, go ahead. Get that insurance in case you die and your mortgage will be paid off. I think it's a great idea. Lots of times, lots of reasons people lose their homes is because of lack of insurance. Somebody, their wife gets a home who doesn't work, just stay home mom with the kids. Now what does she do? I mean, she might get a little bit of money here and there from a policy that the husband has at work. But then, what do you do? Well, the wife will have to go back to a workforce that she hasn't worked never, ever. It's a problem. It's a big problem. A problem that whether you like to accept it or not, you will have to deal with it if something were to happen to you. So, that's my opinion about it. What do you think? Would you get mortgage insurance in case of your death? Would you buy that? Have you purchased that service before? Do you know somebody has used it? Hopefully not, but that's life, dude. We're born, live, and die. What we do with that short line in between those two numbers is what counts at the end. And it's a very selfless thing to prepare